Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to share with you how to make food look appetizing in pictures. The key to making food look appetizing in photos is going to be with lighting. Something like a light box will make this a breeze. A light box will allow you to create some soft, even lighting for your photos. If you don't have a light box, you should shoot your photos next to an open window for a nice strong light to illuminate your photos. Capture some close-ups of foods with nice textures and be sure to have your white balance set correctly so you will have a correct color cast. If you don't set your white balance correctly, your photos will have an unnatural color cast that can make your food look unappealing. With some nice lighting and setting your white balance correctly, your food photos will be looking top-notch. I'm Dan Renicky. Take your best shot.